This is my video regarding the creation and use of a range of software technologies that enhance student learning across a range of curriculum areas. Educators and students today are faced with ever-changing and evolving technologies. Our lives are becoming increasingly digital and online. As educators, it is imperative that we equip our students with the skills, knowledge and understandings to both effectively and safely use these technologies. The Australian curriculum is in the process of awaiting final endorsement of their technologies documentation. It recognises two subjects, design and technologies and digital technologies. Use of digital technologies through a variety of software programs will encourage creative and critical thinking, collaboration, problem solving and the production of digital texts. The implementation of Poplet, Comic Life, interactive whiteboard software and Pic Collage for Kids will now be examined. Poplet is very easy to use. It has simple creative features which cater for a wide range of ages. So if I wanted to change the colour of my popple, just click here. Perhaps I might want to move this one around, so you just click and they'll move around here. To insert another popple, you just click and drag. This one I'm going to put a picture in from my computer, and I'll put this one in here, move it up, and then scrolling out will give you the whole view. Poplet was used to generate a vocabulary map in spelling. It was also used in a writing task to generate better words than said. Where Poplet is truly utilised is in the development of mind maps. These Poplets were created after viewing a segment on Behind the News. It shows a child's understanding about the impact of rubbish in our oceans. Comic Life is a computer program which can be implemented across many curriculum areas. There are many templates to choose from and it is incredibly easy to use. Here it was used as a visual summary for a child with special needs in a Stage 3 classroom. Here it was used in maths to record the different stages of the rucksack method when problem solving. This comic was made after a science experiment looking at electricity with batteries and conductive wire. So one way to use Comic Life in the classroom would be write a book review. So I've just chosen from one of the templates over here, just zooming in just to show how simple it is to use, putting a picture in, just click and drag. And again, putting a speech mark in here for one of the quotes, Ada, I am far too cold outside. Teacher efficiency is vital in the use of interactive whiteboards, as is the development of student skills. Can be used in maths. Infants would be looking at the number before, the number after. Stage 3 students could be finding factors of a specific number, and Stage 2 could be adding a series of numbers. In the infants, students are able to click and drag to find the answer to a subtraction problem. Mapping in geography and also in maths. Here you've got a literacy group. You can insert the QR code and tell students what they're doing for the day in literacy groups. Editing a piece of writing from the class. Moving on to inserting a link to perhaps a website that you're going to use that day. And also a use in a visual arts lesson. The other great thing about the interactive whiteboard is this website Promethean Planet, which offers loads of resources from other educators.
I went on to Pic Collage and searched on their search bar on 3D shapes, GIFs, and then they show up 3D moving shapes.
And what do you like most about Pic Collage?
The fun, the creative stuff.
Pic Collage is simple to use and is able to generate creative products. This first one is a product of a task asking students to develop a recipe for friendship. The next is an infant student example, which was assisted by the Year 5 Buddy. It is a program which covers a diverse range of learning styles and learning needs.